Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Me too, I'm fine. So guys, we are going to do this problem, and as we do it, we are also going to find the equation of a circle. So guys, let's start and see what we have. So I read the question. Determine the radius and the coordinates of center of a circle given the equation. So this is the equation guys, and this is our answers. So before we go to that, let's find out the equation of a circle. So I have drawn a circle here. This is the circle I have drawn, guys. And this circle, the center of the circle from the center of that is the Cartesian graph, that is y-x graph, is actually at point A and B. That is on the side of x it is A, on the side of y it is B. So now guys, we want to find the radius of that circle in terms of x and y. And this is how we do it, guys. We can protrude this line, extend this line here, like that. We extend that line like that, up to maybe that point. And we also extend this line here, this line coming here. Now this is the line of perpendicular to x-axis, which we call actually is supposed to be y. And we make a right angle triangle there. So let's say guys that at this point we have point x at that point. And then at this other point, if we can extend this, maybe we extend this like that. Let's call this point y, like that. So guys, when we want now to find this radius, guys, we shall just find this distance here and this distance, and then use what we call Pythagoras theorem. So from here to here, guys, is actually x minus a. So I write here x minus a. And then from here, guys, to here is actually, because this up to there is y, then up to here is b. So this one is going to be y minus b, like that, guys. So now we can come and be able to find the radius. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we shall have x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. This now will give us r squared, like that, guys. So guys, if we square that, we shall have, for this one it will be x squared, like that, minus 2xa, then plus a squared. That is for these guys. And then from there we say plus, we also square this one, we shall have y squared minus 2y b plus b squared, like that. This is now equal to r squared. So guys, we continue. We shall then have, let's bring x squared and y squared the same place, like this. X squared plus y squared. Then from there we can say minus this one 2xa, like that. And I also bring this one minus 2yb, like that. And then we are left with, guys, we are left with a squared plus b squared, that is a squared plus b squared, like that. This is a squared and b squared. We can also bring this r here, guys, so that we have now minus r squared is equals now to 0. So guys, this is the equation of that represent a circle whose centers are A and B from the center of the Cartesian graph. Guys, now writing our equation. The equation we were given, let me write it in black here, is supposed to be x squared plus y squared, like that, plus 8x, like that, plus 6y, minus 5 is equals to 0. And we are told that this is equation of a circle. And the equation of this circle, we are saying the radius and the coordinate of the center of the circle given the equation. We are supposed to find the radius and the coordinate. That is A and B. So this is what we do, guys. When we look at this x, we can see they are the same. So this one shows us that this is a circle. And then we come here at this point where we have x. So if we look at what we call the coefficient of x is actually supposed to be negative 2a. So guys, we can say, looking at this, guys, we can say that this x and this x is the same. So it means minus 2a is supposed now to be 8. We come to this point now, guys. We look at this minus 2yb and this y and y is the same. So we can also say that 6 is equals to minus 2b, like that. Then guys, our a then is equals to 8 divided by negative 2, which is negative 4, like that. And then our b here, guys, is going to be equal to b will be equal to 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. And so these are our solution, guys, for the coordinates of center of a circle. That is A and B. So that is negative 4 and negative 3, even as we can see here, guys. It's given here. So that one we can say, guys, that is correct for us. So that is correct. And also, this is also correct. So now, guys, we go to the next question. So guys, we shall come back again here. This is our general equation, guys, and we now compare this negative 5 here with this. So this is now our negative 5, guys, here. So that now we shall have a squared plus b squared minus r squared. This one now is supposed to be negative 5. That is from our comparison here, that and that. So we can now come and replace our a and b. So our a was negative 4, so it is going to now to be 16 plus our b now is negative 3, so it will be now be 9, and then minus r squared is equals to negative 5. When we count that one, we shall have 25 minus r squared equals to negative 5. And so we can bring r this side, negative 5 this side. So we shall have now 20 is equals to r squared. And so therefore, r will be equal to root 20. So that is our solution, guys. And you can see it from even here, guys. That is, guys, we make a mistake. It's actually supposed to be that. So I beg your pardon, because when you bring 5 here, it will be that. So this is going to be that. I made a small mistake there. Hope you understand. So that is supposed to be that, guys. Like that. So this is our solution, guys. We have that. And so, guys, thank you for listening to me.